All right, we got a pair of Integral Rack IR 45. These are, I believe these are adjustable seasonal. So you can adjust them during the year. I have 19, and they're pretty easy to install. So this is the first part of it. So we're gonna install these. Like I said, there are 19. Takes about 2 minutes pretty much to install. So this is what I was using before. These over here. I made a structure. I mean, it was a pretty simple fix, but I wanted something that's gonna last. So this is what I'm using. So this is the first part of this video. Next section, I'm gonna have them pretty much up. And we're gonna place them along this fence. The base, that's how fast it is. Put this in here real quick. Slide that in. Put the screw in. Put the washer in on the other side. Put that in. Turn it. And that's done. We'll tighten that up later. Next part. Front part. Put that in. You gotta get it in the groove. There we go. All right. Put the bolt, screw. All right. And put the washer on the other side. And done. And this is done. 2 minutes, probably less than 2 minutes, huh? And we'll tighten that up later.